हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स एंड देयर फोनिक साउंड्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
A says as in apple. A says as in ant. B says as in bat. B says as in ball. C says as in cat. C says as in cap. D says as in drum. D says as in doll. E says as in egg. E says as in elephant. F says as in fish. F says as in fan. G says as in glass. G says as in gun. H says as in hat. H says as in hen. I says as in ink. I says as in insect. J says as in jug. J says as in jam. K says as in kite. K says as in king. L says as in leaf. L says as in lion. M says as in mango. M says as in man. N says as in nut. N says as in nose. O says as in orange. O says as in ox. P says as in pen. P says as in parrot. Q says as in quilt. Q says as in queen. R says as in ring. R says as in rabbit. S says as in sun. S says as in snake. T says as in top. T says as in tomato. U says as in up. U says as in umbrella. V says as in van. V says as in vase. W says as in watermelon. W says as in whale. X says as in x-ray. X says as in Xmas tree. Y says as in yuck. Y says X as in yo-yo. Z says as in zip. Z says as in zero.